let's now go to our main topic. What does the Bible say? So, what does the Bible say about gossip or gossiping something to others? So, Bible strongly condemns gossiping, considering it is a harmful and destructive behavior. So what is gossiping? This is a form of sin, particularly because it involves revealing private information about others without their consent. Gossip can create division and conflict between people, damaging relationships. Gossip often involves spreading rumors, lies, or hurtful words about others. So, in Proverbs 16 verse 28, a perverse person stirs up conflict, and a gossip separates close friends. A gossip betrays a confidence, but a trustworthy person keeps a secret. That is Proverbs 11 verse 13. Proverbs 20 verse 19. Gossip betrays a confidence, so avoid anyone who talks too much. In James 4 verse 11, brothers and sisters, do not slander one another. Anyone who speaks against a brother or sister or judges them speaks against the law and judges it. So what are the consequences of gossiping? In Proverbs 18 verse 8, the words of a gossip are like choice morsels. They go down to the innermost parts. Proverbs 26 verse 20, without wood, a fire goes out. Without a gossip, a quarrel dies down. In Romans 1 verse 29 to 30, they have become filled with every kind of wickedness, evil, greed, and depravity. They are full of envy, murder, strife, deceit, and malice. They are gossipers, slanderers, God-haters, insolent, arrogant, and boastful. They invent ways of doing evil. They disobey their Gossip can destroy friendship, families, even communities. And gossip can lead to a hardening of the heart and loss of compassion for others. The Bible warns that those who gossip will be held accountable for their words on the day of judgment. So what is the importance of guarding our tongues? We know that words are powerful. Words can affect us. Words can encourage us. Words can hurt us. So, in Proverbs 10 verse 19, sin is not ended by multiplying words, but the prudent hold their tongues. Proverbs 21 to 23, whoever keeps his mouth and his tongue keeps himself out of trouble. Ephesians 4 verse 29, do not let any unwholesome tongue come out of your mouths, but only what is helpful for building others according to their needs, that it may benefit those who listen. We need to be mindful of what we are going to say and use them for good. We need to think before we speak. Consider the potential consequences of our words before we share them. Speak words of encouragement. Focus on building up others rather than tearing them down. Avoid speaking harmful or hurtful words about others. And gossiping is a serious thing that can devastating consequences for relationships and spiritual well-being. We are called to guard our tongues and use our words to build up and encourage others. By avoiding gossip and choosing to speak words of love and kindness, we can contribute to a more positive and harmonious world. So if we keep on gossiping towards one another, it's like we're judging other people. We're also sinners. We're not perfect. Only Jesus Christ is the perfect one. All of us are. Sinners. So don't judge others because you too are a sinner. It's like judge others if you're perfect. You're always telling about others, about their mistakes, about who they are. But who are you? It's only our Lord God Jesus Christ is the judge. We're going to face Him face to face, one by one. All the sins that we've committed from the very beginning until we die. So we're not God if we're going to judge others. Judge others if you're a God, if you didn't commit any mistakes. I'm also a sinner. I'm not perfect. I'm not holy. But we need to guard our tongues. All the words that you keep on spreading, it is what is on your heart. So that is what is on you. What's inside. And it tells who you are. So, being in control, being calm, self-control, and think before we speak is so powerful because words are powerful. They say that if you're going to say all bad things towards others, your heart is full of hatred, if your heart is full of hatred, it's like you don't have peace. They say that if you have a peace, you have God inside. And if you're always thinking about others, you can't forgive them. Why? If Jesus Christ can forgive, and you can't forgive others, Jesus is a God, our God. Then who you are? We're not God. You're being too arrogant, boastful. And it's dangerous that if you're like that, you don't have love inside. They said God is love. So what's inside of you if you are full of hatred? Let's just spread love. Love one another. We all know that it's hard to deal with others. If they treated us wrong, made a mistake towards us, if it's hard to forgive, pray. Seek Him, talk to Him that it's hard for you to forgive other people. Surrender everything to Him. And He will help you to do what is right. To direct you to His will and not your will. So, all of us are not perfect. We always fall short. And that is our nature, because we're human. May the peace of God be with you always, my friends. May His love guide your steps and His light illuminate your path. Go forward and share His love with the world, spreading kindness, passion, and hope wherever you go. Good night, everyone.